Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video I will show you how to sow violas. Violas bring colour throughout all the months of the year. Their petite, delicate blooms stand proudly whether they're covered in snow or baking in the sun. You can buy large packs of violas easily from the garden centre or supermarkets, but growing your own from seed is a rewarding process and it saves you money all year round. Luckily, pansies and violas are very easy to grow from seed. There are lots of varieties to choose from too. Many viola flowers are also edible and make a beautiful addition to salads. Equipment. You will need seeds, fine compost, it can either be seed sowing or multi-purpose, pots or a seed tray, a greenhouse, cold frame or porch, and a water tray. Sowing. Violas aren't fussy and will grow in most soil types as long as it's free draining and has some compost mixed in. Sow viola seeds under cover in the spring in March and April, or in the autumn in September and October. Firstly, fill your seed tray or pots with compost. You can use multi-purpose or seed sowing. Then, sprinkle over a few tiny viola seeds into the middle of each pot or cell. Violas need darkness to germinate, so cover the seeds completely with a few centimetres of compost. Place your viola tray into a water bath, or a tray, and allow the water to soak up through the bottom. This reduces diseases such as root rot. Keep in a warm place that has a temperature of around 18 to 20 degrees for germination. Care. You can move your viola seedlings once they've germinated into a greenhouse, cold frame or porch. You should see little seedlings pop up in around 1 to 3 weeks. Keep your violas in a sheltered position until they're large enough to plant out. I overwinter mine in the greenhouse. Water regularly from underneath in the tray. There's no need to worry about a frost as violas and pansies can tolerate low temperatures.